Wow, everyone here, look, oh, small millipedes. Oh, look at this area. Wow, oh, the millipedes. Wow, what is this kind of millipedes? I don't know what is this. Oh, here, another one. Wow, millipede in the banana farm. Take a look together, everyone. Oh my God. Wow, this one. Wow, it's eating. It's black color. Whoa, the millipede is black color. Whoa. Whoa. Look at this. This one. Wow, here. Oh, in the banana. Oh, look. Whoa. Wow, African snail. Here, I see a African snail here. Wow. Oh, this is another black millipede. Wow. Take a look together. We see some millipedes here and snail. Oh, I see another one African snail. Ooh, it's just scoping. Ooh, that's one more African snail. Wow, you can find here everywhere. Take a look. Maybe millipedes come here a lot. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, African snail a lot here. Oh, yeah. They eat something like this. And this one more. Wow. Wow. And look at this. Oh, gecko. Oh, look at this. There are a lot of snail. Oh my God. African snail a lot. Here. They eat the cotton. Oh my God. Here, that's one. Oh. Wow, look at this. Wow, this is a family. It's all the cotton. Here, 1, 2. Oh, that's a lot. Amazing. A small snail like this here. I don't know what is that snail. Here. It's very small like this here. Oh, wow. Look at this. They are amazing creature to see here. 1, 2, 3. They eat everything like this here. Oh my God, here. There are lots. Oh, snail lots. More than the millipedes. Oh, millipedes and snail. There are a lot here. Oh my God. There's some snail here. What is that snail? It's a land snail. Oh, a land snail. One more here. Yeah, the land snail. And this is African snail. Oh my God. Wow, take a look. This is another millipedes. Oh, wow, it's small. Wow, African snail is very big. Oh, it's one more. Wow, it's a giant. It's a giant one. It's so big. Wow, my God. Wow, super big snail. Oh, wow. Oh, African snail a lot. Everyone, take a look together. Wow, there's one more. Oh, here. Wow, I see a lot. Oh, here. Giant African snail. They are so big. Oh, this one is smaller. Wow. There's a lot with the millipedes. Oh, here. The millipedes. Black millipede and snail. Here. Wow, they live together, everyone see. And this is black millipede. It's smaller. Oh my God. Look at this. Another snail. Here. They come out in the evening. Oh, this one. Here. Wow. It's very long. With a long body here. Wow. Here. Oh, take a look. Wow. Somebody eats. Ooh, it's small baby. Somebody eats the snail. Oh, look at this. Oh, take a look, everyone. Oh. Oh. Wow, I've got a lot of snail here. Oh, here. Wow. Here. Everywhere. Oh. Oh my God. Snail. African snail in Cambodia. There are a lot in the banana farm near the mountain here. Oh, yep. Oh, crazy. Wow, they living here a lot. With many snails. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. Everyone, take a look. Wow, they are making reproductive here. This is how they making the love here. Oh my god. Here, this one. Two couple, everyone. Oh yeah. In two couple. And they stick together here. Stick it together with wow, they make love a lot. See, this one couple making love here. Wow, they are making love by the mouse here. Oh my god, they're making love with the mouse from the mouse. Oh here, oh my god, everyone. Oh wow, lots. Somebody can see it together in the evening, yeah, or in the early morning. Wow, here, take a look, everyone. With millipede snail. Oh here, you can eat this kind of snail. Maybe I see some poster. They post to find the kind of snail. Yeah, they buy it. So I don't know how we eat the kind of African snail. Oh here, everyone take a look. Oh, that's so amazing. The amazing creature that the snail living here together. The Lord. Everywhere. Oh my god. Everyone, take a look. Snail a lot. Oh here. Oh the baby. It's the baby snail. Here it's very smaller. Oh, another smaller one. Oh, and this is a bigger. Wow, it's the other. Oh, wow, here, everywhere. Oh my. Oh, wow, here. That's here. Oh, they are the beach. They eat everything here. The creature here. They eat everything here. Oh my god. Take a look here. This one is bigger. Oh, this is another black millipedes. Oh my god. Put it here. Oh, here. Wow. I catch them a lot here. Yeah, I found them a lot. Oh, take a look. Oh, everyone. Small and big. Many and many of the snail. Oh, here. Wow, they eat the grass. The dead grass. And the dead leaf. Oh, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god. There's so many. This is male and female. They are making reproduction here. Oh my god, let's see. And take a look. Oh, there's a lot of snail. I put my leg on them here. Wow. Oh, everyone say they are lots. Here, you can see. Oh my god. Oh my god. They are very big and a lot. Wow, here they are making love in here. Oh, some of them is making love. Oh, here they're still making love here, like this. Yes, they stick together here. Oh, yes, big and small, a lot, everything. Oh, wow, this is bigger. Oh, the bigger one is giant African one. Oh my god, take a look, everyone. How you see them here? Oh, wow, they're lost. Oh, it's sticky here. Oh, this is the bigger. Wow, the bigger. Only one. This is giant snail. Oh my god. Put here. There are lots. Oh, do you ever see this kind of freaking snail? A lot in Cambodia. Anywhere? Yeah, they are living near the mountain. Yeah, they are well living near the mountain. Oh, they sticky on each other. Wow. Oh, see? Oh my god. Take a look. Oh, this is very amazing. Oh my god, here. Okay, everyone, take a look like this here. Wow. Okay, in this place, you will see a lot of snail, African snail. Oh my god, here.